COVID-19 had brought up a far-reaching impact on the world economy and human life in general. Businesses have witnessed an unforeseen transition in the ways they usually operate. These transitions reshaped the execution of the human resource management system. HR activities such as employee performance management, benefits administration, rewards management, boosting employees' productivity are now being monitored virtually with the help of various web-based applications. While work from home is emerging as a prominent work culture today, let us look at how to cope with the after-effects of COVID-19 on workforce management. Setting goals and expectations. Remote work culture is posing new challenges on the human resource team. It has become difficult for the HR team to acknowledge the role of an employee. However, it is crucial for now to focus on employee behavior than their performance. It can be achieved through web-based tools. These tools that are ingrained in software can assist the HR team to keep track of the key performance indicators. A dedicated HR software can also provide a comprehensive analysis of the employee's life cycle, offering lenient working hours. Work from home fudged work with home tasks and duties. Because of this, many organizations have started to provide leverage to their workers by allowing them to work in their own ways and deliver their best performance. However, there is a drawback to this kind of functioning. With a lenient work environment, managers won't be able to monitor employee activities, and thereby, micromanagement of employees becomes tricky. To overcome this challenge, managers can think of monitoring deliverables and the timelines of the employees. Surveys have displayed that the productivity has raised with flexible working timings by allowing employees to work at their own pace and deliver their best. Engaging employees. Communication is at the core of employee engagement activities. Regular interactions with senior officials and colleagues help provide perspective to the peers on how things will proceed with the remote functioning of the organization. Employee engagement is achieved through a good communication strategy in place. It involves arranging one-on-one sessions with the employees first thing in the working hours, generating constant feedback, updating status regularly to keep track of tasks assigned to the employees, etc. For example, Staff is a modern, enterprise-ready HRMS suite platform from Onpassive that empowers enterprises to automate their day-to-day HR processes. An adjourned meeting room can be arranged to enable employees to approach and communicate the shortcomings faced while working. Moreover, offering an open platform will enable employees to speak up about their challenges while considering that not everyone can efficiently operate technologically advanced tools. Benefits administration. Businesses have to implement various policies to make sure employees gain benefits apart from their basic salary. The transition from office to remote brought by pandemic has highlighted the importance of such policies for encouraging employees to get the best out of them. For example, a conveyance allowance policy can be implemented to offer internet and system, gadget allowance for the employees while they are operating from home. Moreover, the human resource team can reward its employees for their outstanding performance. While maintaining a record of employees' performance can be heavy-duty, dedicated HR software can be introduced to acknowledge the same. In addition, a human resource team can minimize their workload with auto-reward features enabled by the web-based applications. These applications help develop a transparent link between the employee and the employer. Conclusion. While the impacts of COVID-19 are affecting businesses worldwide, efficient workforce management is possible with the help of various web-based applications available today. I opted for the right solutions. Businesses can successfully survive and thrive even during these challenging times. Thus, operate various HR activities with the help of the right web-based tools in today's remote work culture and give a boost to your overall organizational work. A Bill Must production.